Today we're going to be demonstrating how you can use Spectra AD markers for creative hand lettering. These markers use low odor, non-toxic alcohol ink and feature both a flexible brush nib and a tri-nib chisel tip, so you can create 4 separate styles of line work with one marker. Today we'll follow along with artist Alicia Schultz as she demonstrates how to use the twin nibs of the Spectra AD marker for hand lettering line work and blending. To start, Alicia has selected the broadest side of the tri-nib marker to illustrate her first word in a block lettering style. By applying smooth, consistent pressure, the letter forms all have a uniform width. Spectra inks are transparent and layered beautifully. Here, we see Alicia layering 2 yellow inks to add dimension to her letter forms. Next, she switches to the flexible brush nib end of the marker to create another style of lettering. She works slowly, applying more pressure on her downstrokes for a thicker line, and lifting slightly on the upward strokes for a calligraphic feel. For a third style of lettering, Alicia switches to using the tip of the tri-nib. The thin point allows her to create more delicate lettering with an unvarying width. Let's watch as she completes the base of her lettering piece by alternating between the flowing script lettering with the brush nib and more block style letters with the tri-nib. You can see how the twin nibs on the Spectra marker are versatile and allow for endless lettering options. Once the base layer has dried, Alicia adds some finishing touches. Using the very tip of the brush nib, she uses a delicate touch for subtle shadowing effects. Flipping to the tri-nib, she carefully presses in some textural details for a stamp-like effect. Then it's back to the brush nib to layer some dimensional shading and embellishments. The flexible nib adjusts with the pressure of her hand for thicker or thinner lines. For finishing touches, Alicia utilizes the different nibs for small accents in varying shapes and sizes. The result is a unique, vibrant hand lettering piece. We hope you've enjoyed following along with this demonstration today. For more inspiration, be sure to follow Spectra AD Marker and artist Alicia Schultz on social media, linked in the comments below.